Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to download and install Messenger on your iPhone. It's a pretty simple process, so let's get right into it. First things first, we need to open the App Store on your iPhone. Once you've opened the App Store, look for the search icon. It's usually located in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Tap on that search icon. Now, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. You're going to type in Messenger here. After you've typed Messenger, it should be the top result. The icon looks like this, so go ahead and tap on that. Now, you can scroll down to view more information about the application if you're curious. However, to actually download it, scroll all the way back to the top and click on the Get button. Now, mine shows a cloud button because I've downloaded Messenger in the past. Yours will probably say Get if it's your first time. Alright, once the app is downloaded, tap Open, and it will immediately launch the Messenger application. You'll be greeted with the login screen. Now, because I've logged in before, it automatically shows my profile. You might be taken to a different screen if you haven't logged in before. Let's continue with the login process. And just like that, once you've logged into your account, you can start using Messenger just as you normally would. And that's it. That's how you download and install Messenger on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tech for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.